what's going on, guys? Welcome back to iCloud Go. Is your iPhone stuck on the iPhone locked to owner screen? Maybe you picked up a second-hand device, or you reset your iPhone and now it's asking for an Apple ID you don't recognize. Don't worry, I'll walk you through a few real ways to fix this, and you can go with whatever works best for your situation. Solution 1. Apple official methods. The safest way is still through the official system from Apple. When you see the iPhone locked to owner screen, first check if there's an option called Unlock with Passcode. If that option is available, you can use the device passcode that was previously set on the iPhone to complete activation. If you don't see that option, then you'll need to sign in with the original Apple ID and password linked to the device. If the password doesn't come to mind, go to iforgot.apple.com and follow the steps to recover your account. Once the password is reset, come back and enter the Apple ID again to activate the iPhone. However, resetting your password using iForgot may take a few days, as the reset cannot be processed until Apple has reviewed and approved it. Solution 2. 4U key for older devices. If you can't recover the Apple ID and there's no way to reach the previous owner, you still have another direction to try. On older iPhones, tools like 4U key can remove activation lock on supported devices. You install the software on your computer, connect the iPhone, choose the activation lock removal option, and follow the instructions shown on screen. Once you put your iPhone into DFU mode, you can quickly remove the activation lock. This tends to work better on earlier iOS versions, so it's important to check if your device is supported before starting. Solution 3. IMEI Unlock Service. There are also IMEI-based unlock services online. They work by using your device's IMEI number to submit a request for removing the lock remotely. In some cases, the device gets cleared from the activation database and you can set it up normally. At the same time, this option comes with some uncertainty. Some services are reliable, others are not, and pricing can vary quite a bit. It's worth doing a bit of research before choosing one. Solution 4. DNS Bypass. If you just want to get into the device temporarily, DNS Bypass is something you can try. During Wi-Fi setup, tap the info icon next to the network name to access the Configure DNS screen. Enter the server address for your region, and then reconnect. You may get access to limited features like basic browsing. It doesn't remove the activation lock and won't fully unlock the device, especially on newer iOS versions, but it can be useful in certain situations. If this video helped you out, drop a like so more people can find it. Feel free to leave a comment and share what you're running into or which method worked for you. I'll check the comments and try to help where I can. Thanks for watching. Peace.